What's up guys, Matt here, and in this video I'm going to show you this PEGZONE adjustable computer tower stand that I received to do this video. Assembly is really simple for this. As you see in the instruction manual, it's just 4 steps to assemble. So step 1 is installing the 4 caster wheels. It does come with an included wrench, so you won't need any of your own tools for this. 2 out of the 4 caster wheels will have brakes, so I chose to put those in the front, which will be most accessible for my rig. These simply just screw on. You can use your hand to tighten them finger tight and then use the wrench to get them nice and tight. Step 2 is extending the front. By default, this stand is 15.75 inches, but it can expand all the way up to 20.08 inches. This length adjustment keeps it nice and flexible to accommodate many different sizes of PCs, and make sure the screws are tight and flip it back over. On to step 3, where we expand the stand to accommodate our PC size. It simply just pulls out. The width does not lock or anything, so you just pull it to where it needs to be. And then finally for step 4, it's just adding these soft pads so that your PC doesn't get scratched or anything by the stand. So there's 4 of these pads. They have a little adhesive sticker on the back that you can peel off and then stick them on each 4 corners of the inside of the stand. And with the length adjustment being able to go from 15.75 inches to 20.08 inches, the width can actually expand from 6.3 inches to 11.81 inches. And now that it's all assembled, we have our 2 caster wheels that we can lock if we'd like to, or unlock to keep it nice and mobile. And here's what the other 2 caster wheels look like that don't have the brake lever, just so you know for context. So I have the stand expanded slightly larger than my PC, so I can drop my PC in and then lightly push in the edges to get it nice and snug. The stand can support up to 55 pounds, and it does have protective rails on each side to prevent the computer from falling. With the casters unlocked, it is super mobile, even on carpets, and then once you have it where you'd like it to be, you can lock those casters so it'll stay where it is. This stand is a great option to optimize airflow since it's so open, to keep your PC nice and cool, and also just to get your PC off the ground or off your desk to free up space. So that's all for this one. Thanks so much for watching.